The Lancelot A3 L1800 DTF transfer printing machine is a game-changer for anyone looking to create professional quality prints on clothing, especially at this price. Make sure to click the link in description below for the best price. This complete DTF printer bundle comes with a printer, oven, laptop, and all necessary consumables, making it a perfect choice for beginners and pros alike. What makes this machine stand out is its white ink stirring and circulatory system, which ensures smooth, flawless printing without complicated pre-treatment. Unlike traditional DTG printers, you can print on a wide range of fabrics including cotton, polyester, leather, hoodies, hats, cushions, and even shoes, giving you total versatility. Operation is simple. Import your design, press print, and you're done. The setup is straightforward, and maintenance is minimal, which means less downtime and more printing. Whether you're printing single A3 sheets or using the roll feeder for larger jobs, the upgraded L1800 printer eliminates paper jams and delivers consistent results every time. While DTG printers struggle with dark fabrics, this DTF machine produces bright, durable prints on both light and dark materials, making your designs truly pop. The included DTF computer comes pre-installed with drivers and software, ensuring smooth and stable data transmission. You also get professional after-sales support, ready to help with any technical issues, especially for Windows users. On the flip side, Mac systems are not supported, so keep that in mind before purchasing. Overall, this printer bundle is perfect for small business owners, DIY t-shirt entrepreneurs, or anyone serious about high-quality garment printing. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate your printing game. Check the link in the description below to grab the Lancelot A3 L1800 DTF transfer printing machine and start creating stunning designs today.